Hi, I'm Nicole Halpern. I'm here to tell you about Marvelous Omega-3. It's made out of sage, which is unusual because the omega-3 is usually made out of fish products and it makes you burp fish all day. It's very good for my skin. My skin is shining. I'm almost 40 years old. I get a lot of compliments about my skin. You can see, you like it?
My name is Janice Adadi. I'm a national nutritionist. Due to my profession, I'm very aware of the need to take omega-3. And I was looking for a source other than the fish oils or eating fish. I wasn't comfortable with either of them due to the pollution problems and the mercury. About 5 months ago, I heard about the omega-3 of Marvelous and I decided to try it. One of the main goals for me taking the omega-3 was to try to get my cholesterol down. I had been taking statin drugs for off and on for almost 10 years now. And I decided to take the omega-3 together with a statin for 3 months. I got myself tested and I was very pleasantly surprised to see that my LDL went down almost 20%. All of a sudden I discovered that my skin was better, my hair was nicer. I really think it's a great product. It's done wonders for me and my family and my friends. And I'd like other people to enjoy it as I do. It's a wonderful product.
Hi, my name is Sasi Shiri. I'm 49 years old. I have 4 children and a lovely wife. And I'd like to speak with you about the special product of Marvelous Company 24/7. I used to be tired. I used to work 8 or 10 hours a day. I used to come home tired. And from the moment that I use 24/7, I have energy. I can walk much more than before. And I feel great.
Hi, my name is Rachel Slupski. I'm 23 years old. My favorite product is the Winner. I love the taste. It reminds me of chewing gum. And in 20 minutes, I feel energized. So when I'm tired or when I feel drowsy or before I go to the gym or when I need energy, I just take it. In 20 minutes, I'm a new person.
Hi everyone, my name's Tia and I'm 23. Since I can remember, I've been battling my weight. I go up and down and nothing ever works. I've tried diets and different systems of losing weight. It doesn't work. So I finally found Marvelous Attract. This stuff works. Since I've started, I've lost 16 pounds. I feel energetic and happy and all around just uplifting. One thing it really does do is attract.